ready to head out for the day, and it is a cold, windy day here in Southern California. Feels like winter for us. I don't think we're really used to it. We are bundling up today. We're heading down to Six Flags Magic Mountain. I normally just wear tennis shoes when I go to Six Flags, but it is so cold. I want my legs to at least be somewhat warm. I don't want to be freezing. So we're actually going with some boots. These were like lifesavers when we were in New York. Feels super extra, but it's okay. These are from Shoe Dazzle. Ready?
No, I just came down here.
We're at In-N-Out. Oh, look who we picked up. Abby. Darren. Protein style double and a regular cheeseburger. Animal style fries and 2 regular fries. Oreo, taro. Oh, Abby's is taro coconut. Oh. Last time we saw people on stilts, they were during Halloween. Oh no, Fright Fest. Completely forgot the name. Nutcracker. Wow, what a brain fart. I completely forgot. Nutcracker. We're back at Six Flags. I'm just with Abby now. We dropped off Darren. CFCY, they have like a camp. So we dropped him off at his friend's, and now we're coming back for holiday in the park because they're gonna take this down, I think, after the 31st of December. So we might as well take advantage. We're already here. So pretty at night. It's like night and day walking in here. Because earlier, I mean, it looked like it was holiday-ish, but not like this.
Turn up the lights in here, baby. Extra bright, I want y'all to see this.
We have a s'mores station. Look, it's so cozy. Cool. We're in this huge ball. Look.
Merry Christmas.
This area is supposed to snow. It's snowing, you guys. We're just missing Darren for this shot.
Lighter to the gasoline. Oh, couldn't hold me. Now I'm living better days. Hot chick in a black Corvette. Like she drove right out of the magazine. And oh my gosh, I never
Saturday night, I'm with my mom. Hello, everyone. So we are gonna go watch a movie. We're gonna go watch Second Act with J-Lo. We've been wanting to watch this movie for, you know, a couple weeks now, and it's the perfect opportunity. Darren is out with his friends, so my mom and I are gonna have a nice movie date night. Date night with my mom.
Quality time.
We were only supposed to get popcorn, and then we noticed that they have chicken and waffles, so we ended up getting the triple chicken and waffles.
Good morning, beautiful.
Mom, what did you think of the movie? J-Lo looks so beautiful.
Her clothes.
She looks so beautiful and stylish. Definitely goals. Finally back to have some tea time. Hold on. Why is it so dark? Let's move my mom's plant over. Let's turn on some additional lights because it's way too dark. The last vlog, we didn't have it, and now we are finally having some tea together. Grab the tea randomly from this box, and if it's gonna be one of the mayonnaise, the ones I really don't like, I'm not gonna drink it. Shake it up, randomly choose one. All right, this is a good one, and this is gingerbread. We're just gonna pour all of this into the tea steeper. So let's talk about the movie Second Act. My mom and I both really enjoyed the movie. If you guys have seen Made in Manhattan, it's similar in that aspect, but a different twist to it. She would like to actually watch it again, and she could watch the movie a couple of times and not get sick of it. So she really enjoyed it, and I'm so glad that we were able to go. Chicken and waffles was surprisingly delicious. We forgot to get ketchup. We also forgot to get maple syrup to put on top of it, but all in all, it was still really good. The waffle was nice and sweet, although my mom did say that the waffle was just too sweet for her. What I did was I took a piece of the waffle and then I mixed it in with the buttered popcorn because my mom put a bit too much salt It was kind of like salty and sweet. We ended up finishing all the food. I think our tea is ready. It smells so good. It smells like gingerbread cookies. It is good. Let's try to do a pinkies up. I don't think I can, but let's try it. Really appreciate you guys responding to my question from the last vlog if cooking is something you guys would like to see me incorporate here on my channel. Blew me away with the amount of support and encouragement. Yes, we will be incorporating cooking videos in 2019, filming these cook with me videos once a week. Again, it will be basic cooking, basic kind of cook with me. I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. Thank you guys as always so much for watching, for commenting. Truly appreciate you guys so much. I hope you have a wonderful New Year's, because I think that next time you guys will see the vlog, it will be on January 1st. So early happy New Year's to you guys. Have a safe New Year's, you guys, and I will see you in the next vlog.